Perfectly cooked onion bhajis, guys. Bit of a dip. Just listen to that. Hi guys, how you all doing? Welcome to Backyard Chef. I'm Rick. Today we're going to do a real easy one. We are going to make onion bhajis. Now, onion bhajis are probably the most ordered starter in a British Indian or takeaway. Okay, you've got your tikka and everything else, but onion bhajis are probably the most ordered. There's so many copycat recipes on the internet. What a load of cobblers. You know, I'm going to show you an easy way how to make onion bhajis and have like a breaded interior, onion all the way through with the spices and a crunchy exterior. These onion bhajis are fantastic as a snack or light meal. Let's show you how to do this. Right guys, this starts with the onions. There's our onion, already peeled, topped and tailed, sliced in half. Okay, now you can go down the lines of slice it in half again. So now we've got 2/4 of onions. Turn it on its side. And then we've got these lovely pieces of onion. And all we need to do is put that in a bowl. Okay. There's our onion slice. Put that in a bowl. Right guys, that's our onions in a bowl, look. Nice and thinly sliced, nothing hard about this, okay? Right, do nothing to these onions guys, okay? We're not going to add anything to this, we're just going to put these onions to one side. Okay guys, what we need to do, we need to mix up a batter. Now normally you would chuck everything in your onions, we're not going to do that. We're going to make this really easy. Okay, to our bowl, add our semolina, add our besan garam flour, add our rice flour, add our baking soda, add our salt, add our chili powder, add our fennel powder. Now guys, I'm using fennel powder because I have no fennel seeds. If you have fennel seeds, you can use those. Add our garam masala, add our cumin seeds, add our curry powder. Now I'm using ordinary curry powder, I'm using Waz, which I prefer. Add our garlic ginger paste. Now you can just use garlic paste if you so wish. Not a problem. All we need to do is make this into a batter. Okay, we're not going to make anything complicated. We're not chucking anything in with the onions. We're going to do it this way. So add a little bit of water. Now we want a fairly thick, stiff batter. A bit more. A little bit more. Mix it all in there guys. Now we do want a stiff batter with this, okay? We don't want a runny batter. We want it nice and stiff like this because it's going to stick round our onions. And then all we're going to do, we're going to add our chopped coriander. Stir that in there. Okay guys, that is our batter mix made. Then all we're going to do, we're going to add this to our onions, put a pan on with some oil in, and start frying. That's how easy this onion bhaji recipe is. Right, okay guys, all we're going to do is add our batter mix to our onions. It's as simple as that. Okay, get that in there. Then all we're going to do, guys, is give it a mix in. It's as simple as that. Mix it all in so it's fully incorporated with our onions. Now, it doesn't get much easier than this, really. Nothing complicated like you see all over the internet. This is very easy. And that is our onion bhaji mix made. Done. Easy, easy, quick, simple. Pan on, guys. Now what we do need, we need a little bit of water. We might just have to put our hands in a little bit of water so it doesn't stick to our hands. Okay guys, for our onion bhajis then, how we're going to do this. We've got a little bit of water. I'll put a little bit on our hand, not much. We're going to take some of our onion mixture. Now we don't want to go too big. Okay. In our hand, gently make it into sort of like a ball and then add it to our oil. Now we don't want to squash these up too much, just make them so that they are a little bit clinging together and put them in our oil. Too much there, look. Now we need to be a little bit gentle with these, but not too gentle, you know. Just gently turn them over. Now we don't want to brown them too much, because what we want to do is fry these like this and then take them out to refry. Now this makes perfect onion bhajis every time. Now guys, the flame is about a medium flame. Okay, we do not want to cook these too quickly, but we do need to get them to crisp up. So we want to put that little bit of a crisping on there, and then we need to take them out and then refry them to crisp them up properly. So as you can see, these bhajis are already looking fantastic. Okay, so let's just flip these again. He says, let's get a spoon. Okay, so let's just flip these over again. Just look at those. Now this is how to make onion bhajis at home. And then all we need to do, guys, is take these onion bhajis out of here and rest them in a tray. And then we're going to refry. So get your onion bhajis out. Just look at those. And can you see, guys? No eggs. No eggs needed to bind them together. What a load of cobblers. In with another one. And just keep putting them in, guys, now till you use up your mix. Oh, my bhajis are getting bigger. Because of my big hands. Not to worry. So let's flip these over. Oh, just look at those. Now these things are quite massive, these ones, because I grabbed too much. But they'll be fine. Okay guys, so let's get these out of there and put in our another batch. Oh, these are quite big actually. In fact, these are massive. Take those bits out. There's one. There's two. Let's give these a turning. Look at those. Right guys, what we need to do is take these out of here and then refry. Let's reintroduce our first onion bhajis. And this is where we're going to crisp them up. So all we're going to do is a minute or so, that's all, turning them, and you can see they're going to crisp up. I mean, the smell in here already is absolutely unbelievable. It's an amazing smell. These cooking spices and the onions, oh, it's tremendous. Okay, so let's take our bhajis out and put them to rest. Oh, you can hear the crispness already. And just reintroduce those last ones. And that'll be our bhajis done. There we go guys, heat off, bhajis out. Into a bowl, a couple of cartons of yogurt. We want 2 tablespoons of mango chutney. We want 1 teaspoon of Coleman's mint and just a little pinch of garam masala, and give it a mix through. So that is our dip made. Now this is the stage where if you want to add a colour, you put a colour in. You know, if you want a yellow or a green or a red, whatever colour you want, you put in there. So that's our dip done guys. All we need to do now is put it in a serving bowl. Oh, there we go guys. Onion bhajis made. Let's break one of these bad boys open. Oh, fantastic. Perfectly cooked onion bhajis guys. Bit of a dip. Just listen to that. And you've got that soft semolina cooked interior. Amazing. Amazing guys. So easy, not complicated. Not complicated at all, guys. Crispy onion bhajis with a cooked soft centre, or softest centre. Now with these onion bhajis, you know, for reheating, once you pre-fried them, you can put them to one side, and then if you reheat them in an oven, 180 degrees, 10 minutes, it does take a little bit of the moisture out of the inside as well. But you know, as long as you don't crisp it too much and burn it, they make fantastic reheated onion bhajis. Guys, they're amazing. If you like what we're doing, guys, it'd be fantastic if you like and subscribe. Catch you next time. Mmm.